Hello everyone, myself Rajshekhar from projectcontest.com. Today in this video of Expert Corner, we have Dr. Chandra Kumar from Welltech, and he is the head of Dean Industrial Relations of Welltech. So in this video, we're going to discuss about the Visai 2021 innovation and project competitions organized by the Welltech. I'd like to welcome Chandrasekhar sir. Welcome you, sir, on behalf of the project contest team. Welcome you, sir.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Rajshekhar. Thank you for connecting me.
Yes, sir. So before going to the formal interviews, I'd like to tell you about the our today's guest, Dr. Chandra Kumar sir, and he is the manager from Welltech Technology Business Incubator, and he has experience of 10 years in the incubator works carried out at Welltech, and Sarah has had an education of PhD, Doctor of Philosophy in composite materials from Welltech, Rangarajan, Dr. Sakuntala, and R&D Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. And he is an expert in incubation, mentoring, and support to the students. So it is an opportunity for us to have such a renowned person with us to explain about the Visai contest and also to share his views related to the entrepreneurship and the startup ecosystem and innovation ecosystem happening in India. So it's a great pleasure, sir. Once again, I welcome you, sir. So the first question I want to ask you is about the what is the happenings going on in TBI at Welltech, sir? What are the things you are carrying out, and what is the motivation you are giving to students to the TBI at Welltech, sir? Over to you, sir.
Yeah. So good evening. Thanks for this opportunity. First of all, I am Dr. Chandra Kumar, Dean Industry Relations and Technology Business Incubator. So the Technology Business Incubator, actually, which is an initiative by Department of Science and Technology. So National Science and Technology Entrepreneurship Development Board. This is the recognition we received in 2010. We started our thrust area in waste management. We have started e-waste and plastic waste management, and we have moved up into in all the domains now. We support all the enterprises coming from healthcare, agriculture, even manufacturing. So the primarily TBI actually stands for Technology Business Incubator, supports the innovation, technology-driven business from a student, faculty, and also from the traders. So they can come here and pitch their idea to us. We have a team of experts who can validate and incubate them, give them an incubation space, networking, mentoring, and we are also giving them a financial support to make their idea into a working model. So, and then we are also helping them with the facility and the ecosystem. Complete ecosystem works to make them into the market ready startup. So this is the initiative which is functioning in Welltech for the last 10 years. Now we are into 11th year. Proudly said that we also have around 150 plus startups been supported, and there are many more initiatives are happening. So India is now aspiring to become a $5 trillion economy in 2024. So this is an effort by the Welltech to support the young innovators who has the mind of starting their venture. So this is what happening in Welltech TBI. And in terms of industry relations, we are also connecting the industry to academia and helping students and faculty members to go there and train a short-term, long-term training and use their expertise available in industry and to fine-tune their curriculum and delivery. So this is the two portfolios I'm looking.
Great, sir. Great, sir. So to move on to the next question, sir. You have mentioned that 150 startups has been guided through the TBI at Welltech. So can you mention a few of the startups, any notable startups, one or two, so that the students who are looking into this video may get inspired from the ideas or startups which has been incubated at TBI at Welltech, sir?
Certainly. So there are 20 plus startups who are in the market doing good job, namely Capcity Benchmarking Private Limited, who is working on the benchmarking of automobile vehicle. So the work will be, they can dismantle the vehicle into bolt and nut stage, and they make them into a design. It's like a repository kind of software. They made it. They have this the software and video models of all the parts of the cars. So which will be used for the OEM can refine, and they can use for their R&D. So we have funded them around 50 lakhs through the seed support system. This is one of the startup who got a lot of traction. They also had a mini project from India as well as the abroad. So that's one of the startup who are working in Chennai itself. And we also have a Empower e-commerce private limited. They have been doing like tire replacing and connecting the automobile repair services, which is a very low cost tech enabled startup. We have supported them with the 15 lakh seed support, and we also have a startup like Squarecom, who is working in AR VR technology, which is helping the manufacturing training. We have the again Admatic Solutions, who are into RoboChef, the innovation called RoboChef, the automotive kitchen, which makes 300 plus Indian dishes automatically. So this is one of the fantastic innovation developed by Welltech TBI. Again, this startup is functioning in Chennai. He got the funding and projects from Singapore as well. So we also have many digital enterprises who are working in app development, who are working in this website, e-commerce platform. And one of the fantastic innovation by our own student, who have come up with the idea called supporting the student who are in the hostel. See, of course, the students who are in the hostel, their movement is constrained. They have to report to the hostel 6 o'clock. So if they found anything missing, like paste, soap, or some essentials, they are not allowed to go and buy in the market. So this is the demand he found out, and he told us that he want to start the e-commerce platform only to the students who are in the hostel. We are happily supported them with the 3 lakh funding. Today, he has been doing a fantastic job helping our hostel student. The beauty is he is not charging anything more on the MRP price. If you order at 10 o'clock in the morning, it will be delivered in your room at 6 o'clock. So he created this startup in campus using his own friends. He is also moved into other campus. Now he is established the same the company at the Orissa, his hometown. So this is the fantastic innovation promoted by us. We have many startups who are doing very fantastic job.
Yes, sir. Really nice motivation also, sir. These kind of startups will be a very good motivation for the students, sir. And you are also rightly given support to the identified persons, so that they have developed this kind of an innovation through the TBI at Welltech, sir. The next question is, so what are the focused areas in Welltech you are funding, sir? Especially because in many TBAs which I personally discussed, they said that they will only fund for the electronics based startups. In one of the TBA, they said that they will only fund for the medical electronics they will fund. So what is the focused area for the students to approach in the TBA at Welltech, sir?
Yeah, it's a good question. See, today, if you say the innovation, it is not belongs to mechanical or healthcare or electronics. It is a combined technology. We started our thrust with waste management, as I told before, and then we moved on into digital enterprises, manufacturing. Today, we are into all, even healthcare, agriculture, we are supporting. Again, our focus will be with the manufacturing, additive manufacturing, and then PCB design and fabrication facility. And we also have a AI supercomputer. We are the first one in India, technology business incubator, to have this AI supercomputer in association with NVIDIA. So these are our primary focus, I can say. But we are into all the innovators who are coming with the business idea. Maybe in any technology, we can support through our own strength, Otherwise, we also have a very big ecosystem, have an industry, experts from the industry association called FICCI, CII. We are also joined with around 2,800 industries. These are our partners. We are also having a strategic partner of Zoho, Amazon, Google. These are the people who are being aligned to the startup needs. We listen to their problem, we listen to their helping area, and then we are connecting them to the experts. So this is what we do in terms of answering your question. We are into all. It is a matter of the innovation.
Great, sir. Great. So moving on to today's purpose of the interview, sir. So what is Visai, and what has Visai done to the society of ecosystem? So what to you, sir, about what is Visai and its impact?
Thank you. So when we talk about the technology business incubator, it is being established in Welltech University, but we are not good into supporting the campus-born startups. I mean the students or faculty. So we found that the motivation is missing. We thought this at the 2010. So we started organizing a event called Visai. Visai stands for International Project Competition Cum Exhibition. It was now on the 11th year. This brings the all over India engineering and diploma students who can come and demonstrate, compete with their innovative product. So we have created the platform where the student can demonstrate the technology. The industry experts are the evaluators. There are industry experts are called based on their domain of projects. We will be giving them a cash awards and the recognition of trophies and certificate. People who are winning this competition, they are also handholded by the Welltech TBI to give them an incubation space, help them out of what is that funding, how they can bring out this innovation product into a marketable product. So this is what we are pipelining the student innovation into a TBI. So this is the theme behind the Visai. When we talk about the today 2021 Visai, we are moving into SDC. Again, it's a virtual. We due to this physical disappearance, we are only consenting into a competition. We are not organizing an exhibition. Last 10 years, we had a fantastic innovations. People represented from even Northeast, they have been traveled. We have given them a hostel facility. It is like 400 students representing 100 plus ideas. It's like a fantastic event. We also got the lot of partners, industries who are been supporting this, and the technology again useful to the industry like TAFE, WAPCO. All those people are interested to support financially as well as the guide the students into a next level. So this is the beauty of Visai we have been doing for last 10 years.
Great, sir. Great. I think when I hear this kind of a contest, I always think that you are doing a wonderful thing for the society and for the student community and for the budding entrepreneurs and the innovators, sir. So moving on to the next question, I want to ask that who can apply for Visai, and any new things you are going to initiate from 2021 edition of Visai?
Visai now it's for engineering students who are pursuing in their final years or third year, even diploma students, and they also can have a BCA, BSc. And so only thing is they have to stick with these sustainable development goals. As you all aware, we have a United Nations declared 17 SDG goals, where India also adapted. These goals are actually to improve the life standard of the people who are living on this earth. So we have taken 8 SDG goals, namely clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, industry innovation, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, and life on land. So these are the goals which we have chosen. Students who are having these technology ideas, demonstrated products, they can fit into any one of the scene. You can apply through this. We have a initial screening to validate your idea, intellectual property, and then the scalable, innovation driven, and then it will be again given this opportunity for you to demonstrate, present it to the expert. So these 8 goals the student can apply. There are minimum 3 students per batch can participate. It is one of the fantastic platform for all the students can demonstrate and win the cash award. Again, you will be getting the direct pitching into WeldTech TBI. And I also would like to mention that the WeldTech TBI has the 4 major schemes of Nidhi Prayas and in Mighty, Tide 2.0, and we also have a seed support system. See, what we are looking under overall is we want you guys to come and demonstrate the technology ideas, and we will help you to the market level.
Yes, sir. So nice initiative, sir. And I think it is a wonderful composition in the contest itself, sir, entirely with their coalition with the STG who are doing it, and so that the students will get aware of the STG and they will solve the problem towards the STG. The students will be doing it, sir. So moving on to the next one. So came to know about what is Visai and who can apply and what is the focused area in Visai, sir. So many times when we discuss with the students, they will tell that, sir, why entrepreneurship I want to choose? Because you are also doing the industrial relationship in your institution. So why you think that entrepreneurship is why student can take as a thing in their career? Why they want to do it? Because there are a lot of opportunities in many MNC companies and to become a very good employer there. So why entrepreneurship a student should pursue, sir? Student or any youngster, why you want to take that as a career?
Yes. So today, if you talk about the India Prime Minister vision, we want to become an Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant. Because of the various issues by our neighbor, we are forced to manufacture ourselves. We are forced to solve our own problem. We are forced to help each other. So this is the again a motivation to the student. Today TBI is functioning in university because the students and faculty who are the change makers of India's economy's direct impact. So we want a product innovation. Today Indians hold lot of branded products. We are the most consumers of all the branded products which is coming from all over the country. We are not doing any manufacturing. We are only consuming. When we talk about the branded, we are into zero. So now the situation, the issue taught us that entrepreneurship is the only option to join a Prime Minister vision of self-reliant India. Students who are the backbone of India's development, they have to develop a product. They have to solve the grassroots problem faced by us, and this is the motivation. Again, we are into right. Today, India has around 150 technology business incubators. There are a lot of unicorns are coming, and our Chennai stands for SaaS products. We are again wanted to concentrate on the product development, our own manufacturing, our own products. So now we are in the need of our, see, the entire floor is set. Only thing is student has to think out of box, have their own discussion with their own peer colleagues of other departments and the faculty members. They have to come and do this initiative as an experimental platform. I'll repeat, experimental platform is given by the University and Government of India. You can test your product. If there is a failure, you cannot carry any issue. You're not liable. You can just free to throw away and move on to your career. But the platform has to be used. If an engineering student studies 4 years, develop one product, if he or she interested, he can continue as a entrepreneurial career. Otherwise, you can also give this technology to your juniors. Let them further develop. If they found interesting, they can make a venture out of it. So we are forced to have an entrepreneurship today. So students are the primary, the stakeholders who can build India, who can make self-reliant.
Yes, sir. Great, sir. It's a nice motivation also. Why we have to choose the entrepreneurship, you have nicely explained to the viewers of this video. So next, I will move on to the next question I want to ask is that what will be the continuous support given by TBI at Welltech for the Visai winners and the applicants once they have started enrolling their idea in the Visai? What will be the support given by the TBI? We have mentioned that 1.5 cash prize will be given. Apart from that, what are the supports Visai will, through the Visai, the Welltech TBI will be giving, sir?
Yes. So the winners out of the Visai can directly incubate at Welltech TBI. Even they can physically enjoy the facilities. The facilities such as Industry Connects, we are also immediately appointing the technical mentors from our faculty, also from the industry person, and we can give them a 360-degree supports in terms of building their the demonstrative model into minimum viable product. I can say minimum viable product where there are funding actually meant for only student innovation. I can name the Nidhi Prayas. Again, the Department of Science and Technology brought out the scheme called Nidhi Prayas, which is giving a 10 lakhs of maximum funding. It's a grant. A student can take this grant, make this idea into a working model prototype, first prototype, and this will be a grant. You can no need to repay. Once this prototype is having a demand, the TBI further handholds, give them further funding through seed support system. Maximum of 50 lakhs one can get. The primary thing is they should have an established private limited or partnership company. For Nidhi Prayas, they no need to have a company. They can only have an idea which is technology driven, which is innovation driven. So we will also validate this idea through experts. The Visai winners directly onboard into the seed money. Again, Welltech as a 2 lakhs seed money was created. This money has been only focusing to the student innovation. Again, this is open channel to the Visai participant. People can take this seed money, onboard into Nidhi Prayas, onboard into Welltech TBI. They can take this seed money again as a loan. Further, we also have around 20 plus VCs, venture capitalists, and the angels. These are the people who will definitely funding into their startup. There are the good ideas which is coming out of the TBI. So the overall thing is people should come and enjoy all those facilities. Now the Visai winners straight away they can enjoy all the facility.
Yes, sir. Nice one, sir. So moving on to the next question, sir. So 2021, what are the future works which will be coming from the TBI at Welltech? So what are the plans? If you can reveal some of the plans to our viewers, what can we expect from the TBI at Welltech in 2021?
So 2021 is really a challenging year we are facing. Again, in terms of the student perspective or a TBI perspective, we wanted to support the grassroots innovation. That's also in India's vision. We wanted to support the grassroots innovation, which is again solving the our own problems. We are also coming up with the many program called inviting idea from the villages and organizing the boot camp, and the student we are sending them to the village, find their problem and come up with the solution. So these are the initiatives we have taken. Again, we are more focused into implementing the National Innovation and Startup Policy released by the Ministry of Education, which is one of the interesting policy which recognize the faculty as well as the students who start the company. And the institution also interested, because everyone wants the IP, everyone's finally need the investment on their work. So our focus is grassroots innovations, student entrepreneurs, campus born ventures. We are also working with the many industrial clusters. I can say the Chennai is the region where we are supporting the automobile startup. We have around SITCO units, Tamil Nadu SITCO units, industrial units are there. We are all connecting. We wanted to help the MSMEs and SMEs, because these are the people who are actually need the academia help. They have a highly good technology. They also have the facility, but they are hardly not investing on the R&D. Here is the demand where academia can contribute. So we found this demand. We are closely working with the industrial units of Chennai, and the faculty members regularly visits, listens their problem, and based on the design, based on the analysis, based on the process improvement we have been doing. So these are the initiatives we are actually looking for in the 2021.
Sir, great, sir. So nice thing is going. We're going to get from TBA at the Weltec, I think so, from 2021. So we are nearing the end of this small interview, sir. So what is your motivation to the students community? Finally, want to say to the students to this video, sir.
As I told, I always with the students innovation. When you talk about Google, Facebook, all those innovation, all those ideas are born from the classroom. So you are right at the initial stage. If you come out of the classroom, you don't have anything to do on the startup. So what I need you is discuss, find out the right business ideas, and try to develop. India needs you. India needs the startups. India needs the products. It is only from the student. So no people, industry can come up with the technology business. We want you guys work on the startups. Don't always think that the graduation will land you in a job. It is always a trouble. Imagine you have a startup. There are a lot of success stories are there. Go and read those stories. There are entrepreneurial culture. You wanted to leave it to the your own family. I also urge all of you continue your family business. If your father or family members are doing any business, family business, try to help them with your education, with your technology. That's again a great entrepreneurship. Don't always think that I will be starting a business out of the data science or artificial intelligence. You do a fantastic venture when you continue your family business. So stand with the entrepreneurial mind. We need you as an entrepreneur, not just a graduate. This is I would like to insist with the students.
So it's a nice motivation to the student community, sir. So thank you for joining us with today's interview with fathercontest.com's expert corner, sir. Hope all the motivations you have given to the students will be very useful for the students to pursue entrepreneurship as a career. So any final words you want to share with the students, sir, before ending this small interview, sir?
Yeah, so it's a thank you very much, Rajshekhar, for connecting with us and allowing me to talk in this platform. We are looking for onboard you in Visay 2021. Please come up with your ideas, even an ICT driven or a product technology. Please submit to us. Start working on the product, and we will support you at the maximum. That's what we are looking from a Weltec University. Thank you for this fantastic opportunity. I look forward to having you in next event.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. It's a wonderful interview, sir, from you, sir. I think this video will make many students to become an entrepreneur, and I hope Vizai will also support in a larger spectrum in the coming years to go. And really a nice interview from my side. I felt that is nice motivation for all the students who is going to see this video, sir. Once again, I thank Welltech and TBA at Welltech and you and your team, sir, for coming and spending time to make this video for the betterment of the student community. Thank you, sir.